Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to fix Bluetooth cutting on Infinix Note 60. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so restart phone, just click and hold side power button and click on this restart icon. Again tap on restart and you will see your phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin and you will check your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on app management. After click on app management, click on app list. Scroll down and search Bluetooth from here. After search Bluetooth, click on clear cache. After clear cache Bluetooth, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, so last option is software update. Click on settings app. Now in setting, click on my phone and you will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix Bluetooth cutting on Infinix Note 60. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.